13 free DIY chicken coop plans. This free plan will help you build a small chicken coop that's perfect for your backyard. It's a 6x3 raised coop with an outside area to keep your chickens active and happy. Here's a free chicken coop plan called the Palace that may be small in size, but is big in style and function. It would look great in an urban environment but also be right at home in the country. If you're looking for a budget-friendly chicken coop to build, this free plan can be used to build one for under $100. As an added bonus, it's even portable. This chicken coop will hold 18 chickens who will have access to a fenced area, an indoor area, and nesting boxes for 3 hens. This portable chicken coop plan will make a quick day project because it incorporates an already built barn-style doghouse along with fencing to create a haven for your chickens. Lady Goats has designed this free chicken coop plan based on a $2,000 one from Williams-Sonoma. You can build it yourself for much less. The Home Depot has a free chicken coop plan that is designed to mimic the classic red barn. This smart design makes it 32 square feet and able to hold up to 12 chickens. Anna White has designed a free chicken coop plan that's made in the shape of a basic shed. This free chicken coop plan is for a stationary chicken coop that's very easy to build and quite weather resistant. You'll be able to house 8 chickens with this free chicken coop plan with extra room for storage and a hatchway. Downeast Thunder Farm has a lovely free chicken coop plan that builds a 4x8 chicken coop that includes a yard, run, clean outdoor, and electricity. This free chicken coop plan is super easy to put together because it's primarily made out of PVC pipes. The woodworking plans at My Outdoor Plans are easy to follow along with because they provide exploded, detailed views of, in this case, a chicken coop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.